All right, so when you are FM 103.7, it's great to welcome this young gentleman back from his European vacation, our chef Gavin Forman. Firstly, mate, welcome back, looking $1 million, and hope you're nice and rested and everything.
Oh, nice, rested, carrying my holiday weight, so it's all good.
Fair enough, that's a fair point. Now, big props, by the way, to your replacement while you were away.
Lucas, yeah, he's
Lucas
a good
Morrow
man.
did a great job.
He's a good man, he's a good man.
He did a good job by virtue of the fact that he kind of made dishes every week that he knew that they were in
He
the safe
pandered
place.
to you.
They were in the safe space.
He pandered to you. Playtime's over.
Yeah, he couldn't have been any more safe if you'd have brought in a bowl of cornflakes.
I listened to the cheeseburger one and I went, no, we can't be having that.
Can't be having just a piece of meat and cheese. He was even nice enough to not do tomato sauce.
I know. I see. He's a good man, but
See?
too good.
So the days of sending stuff back to the kitchen are over.
Yes. we're all in today.
All right, now a couple of areas you know I'm not a fan of. So you've decided to kick off with some seafood and underneath.
Yeah.
All right. This plate, it looks nice. It smells fantastic.
Yeah.
What are we into, Gav?
We are going to have scallops with black pudding and pea and lettuce sauce.
The sauce looks and tastes fantastic. I'm going to love the sauce. Will be great.
Yeah, so you get a bit of scallop, a bit of black pudding, and a bit of sauce. You're going to have to do this. You're going to have to man up. Scallop is probably the most unseafoody seafood. Stop wasting time and looking at me.
All right.
It's probably the most unseafoody seafood.
Well, first thing I'm going to do, there's 3 on the plate, so
Yeah.
I'll move the 2 there because I know
That's
someone.
just not going to happen, is it?
Well, that means that I'm not going to be touching the food that others can have later.
Not a problem.
So
So your
why is it-
procrastination is well noted.
I'm eating. I'm sort of getting this all sorted.
Yes, it's
Why
a
is it the
classic.
most-
It's a
why is it-
classic French combination. They call it boudinois, which is black sausage. You can eat.
Okay. And what is in the black pudding for those who?
Black pudding is a sausage made on pig's blood,
Of course, it is.
congealed pig's blood.
Lovely.
Just think of it as a big scab. You'll be fine.
All right, so we've got effectively an alternate sausage and some
alternate sausage.
and some alternate seafood.
It's a gender bender sausage. It is whatever it wants to be.
It
So
is
are you
now.
gonna try, or are you
All right,
just gonna
give it a crack?
I
Well,
love the way the water's still here. Do you want me to move that?
No,
You
I
need
should have
that.
had something not water to sort of wash this down.
No,
So
this
I'm not
is
going to like it.
This is a classic. Just to taste it. This is a classic French dish, and you might surprise yourself. You might actually like it. It's the flavors work really, really well together. Oh my God, you didn't spit it out. I'm quite impressed. But scallops, as seafood goes, are quite meaty in their texture and flavor. They're not like an oyster or a prawn that's got that huge flavor. That's why they take up with the black pudding so well. They marry together.
Yeah, look, if you didn't know what that was, you would say that's completely fine.
Why? It's mental with you, isn't it? It's just.
I think it is. I know it is. It's psychological.
So instead of a chef, we need to bring in a psychologist once a week with me or twice a week with me now.
Can you imagine how well that
yeah,
would go?
this would be great. We'd have notes and we'd have a thesis right now on you on why you can't eat certain foods.
They'd be just replaying this in study groups for the next 50 years.
We're in the uni. Why not?
Why not? I didn't mind that sauce either. That's an odd combination.
It's a strange one, but it's classic. As I said, it's classic French. So it's just a little bit of butter in the pan. Saute your lettuce till it just goes translucent, just changing colours. Then you throw your frozen peas in, and it retards the cooking, slows it right down. Put your cream in, bring it to the boil, blend it, season it, and that's it. If you want it really fine, you can pass it through a fine sieve, and you'll get a really smooth sauce.
Yeah, that wasn't too bad. But again, you don't mind it a little bit. Chunky's the wrong word, but a little bit less.
Yeah. Well, the compote is be the other word, which is like a lumpy sauce, deliberately lumpy sauce, I should say, not a big gravy with lumps of flour in the middle of it.
All right, super quick, since you've been particularly over in Ireland there, anything of note that you want to bring back over the next few weeks? Any Irish dishes?
Well, the black pudding's pretty Irish, so
true.
you'll have to hold on and wait and see.
Well, hold on. Where's Lucas with his cheeseburger when
Yeah,
I need him?
Lucas is at home on the couch, just woke up.
All right, thanks, Gavin. Always a pleasure to see you, and glad you enjoyed your trip. Thanks for taking us on our very own trip today of culinary delight.
Enjoy.
And we'll do it again in a fortnight with our chef Gavin Forman now that he is back right here at 2NURFM 103.7.
A broadcast service of the University of Newcastle.